Joe, you're really making the baby bed look a lot better
Yeah,
here.
thanks, Danny. I was just applying a fresh coat of varnish. And as you know, whenever you're painting or refinishing a project that has lots of different parts, it could take forever if you painted one side, wait for it to dry, and then flip it over and do the other side.
Right.
So to speed up the process, what I've done here is I used the bolts that actually hold the frame together to suspend the piece between two sawhorses.
Now, I've tried the same thing with shutters or doors, just using a nail driving in to there and kind of accomplish the same thing.
You could use nails, but I had the hardware, so I thought I'd use them.
That's great.
And what it allows you to do is then flip it over and paint the other side or varnish it, which I did earlier today. So then you can give me a hand here, you just hang it right from those strings tied to the joist.
That's great. That's a lot better, particularly with varnish. You're not having to worry about so much dust from your shop settling down on it if it was flat on sawhorses.
And it allows you to move right on to the next piece. And here's the rail that didn't have any bolt holes in it. So I just, as you mentioned earlier, I just took some finishing nails and tacked them in.
Perfect.
And it allows me to varnish it.
Okay.
And then when it's dry, you can just take a pair of needle nose pliers and bend a hook in it. And then hang it up. I'll show you. These are some bed rails I did yesterday. And again, I used the needle nose pliers just to bend the hook in the nail and then hang it from the string. And again, it's out of the way and it stays pretty much dust free.
Well, that's perfect. And also, I guess since it's up at eye level, you can really see if there's any little areas that you missed or maybe some runs, which can happen with varnish.